We've got good stuff coming here.
Hey guys! Professor Reece here, and today we're smashing pumpkins.
With what?
Sledgehammer!
Alright, so let's meet our pumpkins.
So, baby one that we're going to be smashing first.
Okay.
Then this one, that's we're going to be smashing with a slightly heavier sledgehammer.
Alright.
And this one that we're going to smash with the heaviest.
Well, we only got one sledgehammer. So let's return to our beginning side. Practice, just put it down so you know that you can hit it. Right like that. Just a nice tap. Let it out. Oh!
It only dented it.
Yep, let's try it again. Ready? Nice!
Damn, it's the pumpkin!
That is
Look
pretty
at
savage.
that.
Nice. Alright, the middle-sized
I'm gonna
one.
put that over here.
Alright, middle-sized one. So you can whomp it. Give it as good a whomp as you can. Oh! Oh!
I think that one.
Big whomping. Got it? Oh, nice. Oh! Big whack. Oh! Big whack. You got it? You got a big whack in there? Oh! Now let's lay it on the side. Nice.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Biggest one yet. Oh. Nice. Last one. Nice.
see y'all. This was fun. See ya. Peace. Woo!
Thanks for watching this Reece Life Dad Life video. Please join us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss another moment of the adventures of Reece Life Dad Life.